Hi guys, for this sample, I'm just going to show you something you could do with the materials for a gustatory program. There are several different gustatory programs throughout the modules that this might be helpful for. And we use this for our gustatory matching program. For those early learners that don't want to close their eyes, that we need them to fluently taste things to move kind of quickly through the program. So for this, we just took pieces of foam, one color in yellow for our test, one color in blue for our train classes, and then we just put little stickers on the back after we stapled them in wrapped pouches so that we knew which one was the one train class, which one is the two train class for comparison, and then same for the test classes, having 1 and 2. The great things about these foam pieces are, and you can even probably tell on these that they need to just get wiped down, so we can take these to the sink and really easily just kind of clean them off and wipe them down to get ready to restuff. And then we have our pouches that are actually just baby food and toddler pouches that we use. So for example, you'll have 2 identicals that you'll put in there, and we just put on the caps what number class it is, because usually with these, when you use them once, then they need to go on the refrigerator, and then after 24 hours throw them away and restuff. So for example, for this one, since this is a 2, we would just slide it into our test pouch. I promise they usually go in a little easier than this. And so it hides the label. You would have your lid off. And then if you were doing a comparison for this one, another helpful tip after you're having them taste them, because sometimes you can see the food a little bit in the top spout of these. So you could have them, you know, taste this one, and then you could lay them flat so they're just looking at the bottoms. And all the bottoms look the same. So you could just have them look at that and say, you know, taste this, was that the same? And do your comparisons that way. But then it's nice because those tops just fit right back on. And like I said, we have all of those numbered so that they match, so we're not mixing any flavors together. So then our ones would go into our 1 pouches. And then we could really easily put these back in our bags. They can go in the refrigerator in between. And again, we just have a 1 on the top so that it matches. So that's just kind of an example of something that you could do and make that's really easy and quick, and that can work for gustatory programs.